Good morning, children. I hope you are all safe and fine. In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Unit 2, Trip to Ooty, Section 3. This is the last section of this lesson. Okay, children? Yes. Already we have seen Section 1 and 2. Let's recap this Section 1 and 2. Yes. So in Section 1, Merlin was a girl. She is writing a letter to her friend Malli about her trip to Ooty. So in Section 2, Merlin and her friend were talking about the scenery out of the window. So they were enjoying that. Suddenly what happened? The train had stopped. Let us see what is the reason why the train had stopped. Before getting to this section 3, let us see some glossary in this section. Yes. Glossary: trumpeting, making a loud noise. Chugging, move slowly, making regular muffled sounds as of an engine running slowly. Coax, persuade, someone gently to do something. Murmur, to make a low, continuous, indistinct sound, grumble. Again, I repeat these words: trumpeting, making a loud noise. Chugging, move slowly, making regular muffled sounds as of an engine running slowly.
Coax, persuade,
Someone gently to do something. Murmur, to make a low, continuous, indistinct sound, grumble. Yes. Let us getting to the lesson. Let us know the reason why the train had stopped suddenly. Yes. Read this section of the letter silently. Discuss with your partner and describe the incident. Okay. Shall we move? Yes. There was a cute baby elephant sitting on the track. The mother elephant was nearby, trumpeting loudly. The engine driver tried to coax the baby off the track with a bunch of bananas. Do you know why the train had stopped? Yes. There was a baby elephant
sitting on the
track, and the mother elephant was trumpeting loudly. Trumpeting means making a loud noise. And the engine driver tried to
coax. Coax means
persuade to someone gently to do something. So the engine driver was trying to make the baby elephant to come out of the track.
he gave
A bunch of bananas. Then the mother did not let anyone near the baby. So people stood around trying to make the baby move by making all kinds of sounds. So the mother elephant did not allow anybody to near the baby elephant. So all the passengers
were
making some kinds of sounds to make the baby elephant to come out of the track. Then the baby just sat there looking frightened, and mother kept trumpeting. Finally, Muthu, the naughty boy of the class, went up to the baby with a bunch of bananas. Just as it moved to eat it, he moved backwards. So the baby elephant got frightened and sat on the track. The mother elephant was going on trumpeting. The naughty boy Muthu, he went there, gave the bunch of bananas to the baby elephant. When it tries to eat that,
moved
backwards. Yes, he used his cleverness. If you move backwards means what will happen? Yes, automatically the baby elephant will move. Then he kept doing this till the baby
was
stopped on the side of the tracks. Luckily, the mother too stopped trumpeting and watched the whole show. Everyone cheered as the baby started eating the bananas.
many bunches of bananas
Were piled near the baby and the mother. As they were eating, everyone got into the train and it left after a delay of 1 hour. Geeta madam has told us that we would see elephants if we were lucky. Muthu was keep on moving backward. Still, the baby elephant was out of the track. Mother elephant stopped trumpeting by seeing the whole show. Everyone cheered as the baby started eating the bananas. Many bunches of bananas were given to the mother and the baby elephant. When they were eating, everyone got into train. Geeta madam told them they were lucky to see the elephant like Muthu.
We must use our cleverness.
Then next shall we move the next paragraph. Madam would not have imagined we would see a wild elephant this close, said Fatima. It was such a fantastic trip. On a normal fast train ride, we do not notice the scenery or the landscape. It rushes by so fast, but slowly jogging up and down the beautiful mountainside was different. I will never forget the way. Wind-swept tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, or the swaying trees. It was enchanting to
listen to the
murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical birds' calls. We even saw an elephant and its baby. Our whole group was so excited by the trip and they still talk about it. Your loving friend, Marilyn. So in this paragraph, I will explain it. After got into the train, Fatima said to Geeta madam that they would not imagine that we would see a wild elephant very close, and it was fantastic trip. Marilyn said that a normal fast train ride, we do not notice the scenery of a landscape. It was going very fast but slowly jogging. Here jogging means moving slowly, making regular muffled sounds, and it was moving up and down, and beautiful mountainside was different. And she told that she never forget the tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, or the swaying trees. It was enchanting to listen to the murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical bird calls. Yes, murmur means to make a low and continuous sound. It is very nice to hear low sounds of streams, waterfall, and musical bird calls. Even they have seen elephant and its baby. The whole group was excited and enjoyed the trip, and they still talk about it. So Marilyn concluded the letter by her loving friend Malli. So children, whenever you get chance, you visit some places, go and enjoy and learn something, share with your friends. Okay children? Yes, this is the last section of this lesson. So we have completed today this lesson. Okay children?
Thank you.